There's one AI tool that handles your entire content workflow.
Research, script writing, publishing packages, thumbnails, descriptions, tags, and then it repurposes all of that into YouTube Shorts, tweets, LinkedIn posts, and more. Everything in one tool.
I tested over 40 AI tools in the last 2 months. Copy.ai, Jasper P. Claude, Notion AI, Perplexity, every single one. And I found one tool that does everything. It's free! And it completely transformed in June 2026.
That tool is NotebookLM, Google's research assistant. The average creator wastes 7 to 8 hours on their content pipeline. With NotebookLM, you can do it in 1 hour. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Whether you're already using AI tools or you're completely new, this video is going to change your workflow.
Trust me. Just stick with me to the end.
Hold on. First, let's understand the actual problem. You're a content creator. Your day looks something like this. Research scattered across 15 browser tabs, 3 YouTube videos, 2 Reddit threads, a newsletter you saved, notes everywhere. Script writing, you're jumping between ChatGPT for the draft, Claude for refinement, Google Docs for the final version. Thumbnail, you're either bribing a designer with a brief or struggling through Canva yourself. Publishing, thinking about the title, writing the description, building the tags, hunting for hashtags. Repurposing, you have to rewrite the script for shorts, different tweets, separate LinkedIn post. All of this for one video, and all of it takes 15 to 20 hours. I was doing the same thing, jumping between 40 tools.
And the worst part? Every time you context switch tab to tab, tool to tool, you lose momentum. And at the end, you have no idea where your time went.
NotebookLM is different. Here's why. NotebookLM is Google's AI research assistant, but it's not just a research assistant anymore.
After the June 2026 update, NotebookLM became a full creator studio. 3 things make this a game changer.
Number 1, Gemini 3.5 integration. This is Google's latest AI model. Fast, analytical, and source-grounded. What does that mean? It answers from inside your uploaded files. No hallucinations, no made-up stats. Number 2, cloud code execution. Every notebook now comes with its own secure cloud sandbox. NotebookLM can write code and run it, analyze data, process CSV files, verify exact numbers, without you ever leaving the notebook. Number 3, agentic source discovery. You don't have to hunt down every source and upload it yourself anymore. Give it a rough idea or a topic. And NotebookLM finds relevant, authoritative sources from the web and builds your research vault automatically.
Here's the honest truth. These new features are rolling out on Google's paid tiers first. But NotebookLM's core, chat, source-grounded answers, research, script writing, it's always been free. No credit card needed.
And the way Google works. Remember when 1 million token context was paid, then it became free for everyone. That same pattern is going to happen here. So the workflow I'm about to show you, it works on the free tier too.
Now I'm going to show you exactly how I use NotebookLM, step by step. No fluff.
First, I create a new notebook for each video. I name it after the video topic. Then, inside that notebook, first, open YouTube, search your topic. It can be literally any topic. For reference, I'm just using my own here. Now look at the top performing videos. Whichever results are pulling the most views, the strongest engagement. Copy those links. And here's the good part. You can paste in as many links as you want. There's no limit. I'm just using 4 right now. Paste all the links into NotebookLM, hit insert, and boom, watch this. This is the perfect result, in just 30 seconds, what normally takes 5 hours of research. NotebookLM just did the entire thing in 30 seconds. Perfect analysis. The research vault is ready now. Time to start asking questions. Now I ask NotebookLM, based on all these sources, what are the top 5 pain points my audience actually has? Now look at this. You can see exactly how deep NotebookLM went into the research. These are solid pain points, real ones. Now I give next prompt. What's the one thing almost every competitor video misses? Watch this. It's going through the 4 competitor transcripts I gave it and pointing out exactly what they missed. You can see it, right there, the exact gaps they overlooked. Now we know the pain points, we know the gaps. Time to find our edge. Now I give last prompt of research. Give me 3 unique angles nobody has covered yet. Watch this. Look at that 3 angles, and none of them copied from anywhere. Straight from my own research. Nowhere else. I've linked everything down in the description. Go check it out for yourself. Alright, let's go write the script.
Research is done. Now I write the script.
Same notebook. No new tool needed. Type the prompt. Now I write the script. Write a 10-minute YouTube script based on my research. Hook should use fear of missing out. Pattern. Structure. Hook, build, context, workflow, payoff. Use conversational, energetic tone. Every section needs a pattern interrupt. Include B-roll suggestions in brackets. Hit enter and watch what happens. Scroll through this. The entire script is being built in real time. Hook, build, context, workflow, payoff. It's following the exact structure I gave it. Here's the most important part. This script is grounded in my uploaded research. The stats I provided are the ones being used. The competitor gaps I identified are exactly what it's highlighting. Nothing random, nothing made up. Look at this. This line came directly from one of my uploaded sources. Direct match. This is the difference source-grounded AI makes. Now I refine it, right inside the same notebook. I give section-by-section feedback. Make the hook shorter, more urgent. Add a specific number in the build section. Simplify this part. Hit enter, and watch what happens. No copy-pasting. No opening a second tool to fix it. One place, one flow. Script done.
Now I generate all publishing assets.
Now I give next prompt. Based on this script, give me 1. 5 SEO optimized titles. 2. YouTube description with timestamps. 3. 30 SEO tags under 500 characters. 4. 5 thumbnail concepts with visual descriptions. Hit enter and watch what happens. One prompt. Complete publishing package. And here's the secret sauce. NotebookLM can use your YouTube video as a source too. Using the audio overview feature, you upload your raw recording, and NotebookLM automatically transcribes it, generates timestamps, creates show notes, and builds chapters, all automatically. Now, one video's content is ready for 6 platforms. Based on this script, create 1. 3 YouTube Shorts scripts, 2. 5 tweets, 3. 1 LinkedIn post, 4. 1 Instagram Reel concept, 5. 1 newsletter outline. Hit enter and watch what happens. Look at this. It's not just copy-pasting the same script 6 different times. It's actually rewriting for each platform's algorithm. Shorts are punchy and fast. Tweets are hook-driven. LinkedIn is structured for professionals. It knows the difference.
This is the phase where 95% of creators stop. They publish the video, done. But they never repurpose it, and that one video only reaches 30% of its potential.
With NotebookLM, you have 1 research session, 1 script, at content for 6 platforms, 0 extra effort.
I know what you're thinking. This is all theory. Show me real numbers.
Research time, 3 to 4 hours, down to 20 minutes. Scripting time, 2 to 3 hours, down to 30 minutes. Publishing assets, 1 hour, down to 5 minutes. Repurposing, I never did it, now 10 minutes. Total per video, 7 to 8 hours, down to approximately 1 hour. 0 tools open at the same time. 0 context switching. 0 hallucinations, because everything is source grounded.
You're ready now.
Here's what you do. 1. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. It's free. 2. Create a new notebook. Name it after your next video topic. 3. Upload your research sources, transcripts, articles, Reddit links. 4. Use the prompts I showed you. Research, script, publishing, repurposing. 5. Refine your script right inside NotebookLM. Section by section feedback. 6. Export your publishing package. Copy, paste. Done.
This is the system I built. After testing 40 tools, spending 2 months, and wasting countless hours, you can now run your entire content pipeline in under 1 hour. The creators who adopt NotebookLM now will be ahead of everyone still switching between tabs and 5 AI tools.